Hi, it's Brienne from Online Fabric Store. A few weeks ago, I was tasked with making this mystery box, and I was told I can't know what's going inside the box. Well, now I know. Sort of. I know that a couple of my coworkers have put some fabric in here, and I'm not allowed to know what fabric it is, but I have to use the fabric to create a project of some sort. I'm excited to find out what these fabrics are, so follow along as I unpack this box and start sewing. I'm like a little bit worried that everyone picked the same fabric. I'm excited! What's in the box? Okay. Fabric number 1. I like this one. I actually saw this on the website and I wanted to do something with it, so I'm excited to do this. This is nice. It has some pretty swirls and I like the green one. Ooh, this is another one that I wanted to do. Okay, I'm really excited now. This one is really beautiful. These are both kind of, I think, outdoor fabrics. So maybe that will lead me in the right direction. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to open it so you can see. It's like cow print. This is definitely an apparel fabric though. I actually haven't seen this one. And then my last fabric. Uh-oh. It feels like 2 different projects. I have this and this, but I have to combine them all and make one project. I like literally actually don't know what I could do with this. These 2 very much go together. They're very much like an outdoor chair or like a really cute cushion for your porch couch. And these 2 I feel like are like fun dance costume energy. I do not know what I'm gonna do with all of these. They're all 4 very fun fabrics, but also very different from each other. I feel like we have 2 different directions. I am allowed to use other fabrics and other notions. I will definitely be incorporating other things. I do not know how to make these 4 work together. What am I gonna do? This one is very thin. It's like definitely an apparel fabric. I don't wanna do anything that's like too wild with this. Well, I guess I could do like an interfacing or a lining on it. I think I'm gonna have to do some sketches and come up with some ideas. I cut a sample of each of my 4 fabrics so I can have them in front of me while I'm sketching some ideas out. So these 2, if I were using them alone, I would probably use them for more like an apparel project. These 2 are my heavier fabrics. I'd use these for like upholstery, decor, or something that needs a little bit more of a sturdy fabric. I think based on the fact that 2 of them are heavy and 2 of them are light, I'm probably gonna start my focus on the heavy one. I think that will be a little bit more difficult to work around. I would like to make something with texture. I think if all 4 of them are flat surfaces, it's gonna look maybe a little off. So I think if we can make one that's ruffled or one that's shirred or something like that, it might bring a little more visual interest in and make it seem more cohesive. I'm thinking that these 2 are apparel weight. Maybe I can do something with that. Something that's like intentionally supposed to be a little bit fun. Maybe something that feels very young or kind of circus costumey. I'm not really sure. So this is my sort of basic drawing right now. I thought maybe a shirt with some puffy sleeves and a ruffled hemline. I'm gonna add some color, pick out where the fabrics will go, see if we can make this work. This would be a good fabric for some sleeves. I also put it on the collar. I'm not sure that that would work. I would have to add some interfacing, kind of a lot probably. It's fairly light. I think this would work for cuffs and a button placket. And this would be really fun for like a bottom ruffle, but I'm not really sure about this for the body of the shirt. I'm also not really sold on a garment. I think it's gonna be too much weight difference between the fabrics. I wanna explore some other ideas. I'm going back to a basic idea here. I want to see how this would work as curtains. I'm not sure that I'm sold on this idea, but we'll see. I really do like the idea of the purple being like a little ruffle. This one, the green one, is maybe the top. Rod channel, cow down here. This one in the middle. I think that could work. Let's try one more thing. Ideally, I would want all 4 of my fabrics to be visible. I'm thinking I want this one to be my primary fabric. I know I only have a little scrap here to show you, but this is the one I kind of want to base my design off of. It's got 3 main colors. I think that will be really good, and I can try to tie in all the colors to that. It's also a nice weight to be a tote. I think that will come out really nice. So here's my kind of basic tote idea. The body of the tote is going to be kind of this one, and then I'm going to try to do this with the handles. And then if it still kind of looks a little bit clashy, I'm going to tie it together. Hopefully we'll see with some trim or piping or something like that to kind of tie that purple in there. So let me add some color to this drawing, see how it looks. Kind of hard to see without the fabric, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do the cow for like a little pocket right in the middle, and then try to make some ruffled trim with this. I'm not sure what I'll do with the lining. I think I'm gonna wait till towards the end to decide on the lining. Right now, I think it looks kind of fun. I've seen a lot of things that look kind of intentionally clashing online. I think the tote bag is definitely the way to go. That's gonna be the easiest to sew, and it's gonna be the item I get the most use out of. I'm not sure the curtains would work in any of my spaces. And the top I think is really fun, but I think the tote bag I could get a lot more use out of.